Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the third developer betas of iOS 26 and iPadOS 26, arriving 2 weeks after the rollout of the second betas. Registered developers can download the latest builds through the software update section in the Settings app on their compatible devices. Both iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 showcase Apple's brand new liquid glass design, introducing translucent glass-like UI elements across the lock screen, home screen, control center, and various in-app interfaces like menus and buttons. In addition to the new look, the updates bring a host of feature upgrades to messages, phone, shortcuts, Apple Music, and more. Apple is also integrating its next-gen Apple Intelligence features along with a redesigned CarPlay experience. And on the iPad side, iPadOS introduces an all-new multitasking system that supports multiple app windows, delivering a more desktop-like experience similar to macOS. It's worth pointing out that Beta 2 brought several new features and refinements, and the latest beta is expected to polish the experience even further. While the current betas remain available exclusively to developers, Apple is expected to release the public beta in the near future, ahead of the official launch this fall. So stay tuned as more refinements and features continue to emerge in the coming weeks.